Oh. So today guys, we have an emergency repair. I've had to fly back from the shop on the push bike, an electric bike by the way. I don't put in any effort into cycling. Not anymore anyway. We have an emergency key fob repair. So we do key fob repairs. We repair pretty much anything. Board repairs, screen refurbishment, yada yada, blah blah. And we have a lady here who's brought this in for. I'm going to replace the chassis. Okay. We're going to replace the chassis, or we're going to replace the buttons. I reckon it is now lobbing it down outside. I reckon that will just pull out. It's now starting to thunder and lightning outside. Lovely. Looks like I got back just in time. So we have old shell off, new shell ready to rock and roll, tuner buttons. The customer has supplied the parts for this. It's really remarkable in my opinion. That button's good, so we've got a spare button. Right. I reckon it is a bit filthy in there, like. Right, a bit of flux. I don't know if you guys can actually see this, because I am literally recording this on the fly. Usually I record this proper jobber, but I'm recording this literally on the fly. So I must apologise about the audio and video. I have literally spent the past month building up a YouTube recording studio for this kind of thing. And it's not a case of just come in and just go switch and it's ready to rock and roll. I'm going to set it up first. Right. What is this madness? What I'm going to do is I'm going to check this in my pinch. I've got a spare battery. I am not going to replace that battery because I don't want to run the risk of losing its memory. That is the customer's error to make. Mine. The old button off. Did as a door knocker. I must apologise for any untoward language you may hear. I don't live in the best of areas. My apartment's actually lovely, but it's not located in the best of areas. you go. New button on. Give it a quick clean with a bit of IPA. And good as new. A lot of people would like me to see if it's fully functional, so let's go down the metaphorical rabbit hole. Actually, well, speaking of which, I have literally, I can only test this functionality when we get back to the shop. Right, so I follow a YouTuber, a YouTube channel, Northridge Fix, and them guys do key fob repairs as well. He's got an IR receiver to test these, so I think what I will do is I will invest a little bit of dosh in one of them. I don't want to get it back all the way there and it doesn't work. It'll be a bit disappointing. IMO. But apart from that, we're all good to go. A little bit of labour charge. And jobs are good on. She paid an expedited fee on this as well, so it needed doing there and then. But I am literally 10 minutes cycle away on my e-bike from the shop, so I flew down here. And as always, have a nice day, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. There will be a lot better content and a lot more better filmed and yada yada blah blah blah. This was literally done on the fly. I shall see you later.